Hello one and all. Today we have a really cool Porsche 1985 911 Turbo Look Coupe. For those of you in the Porsche world, yes, M491 package. In the 80s we just knew this as a Turbo Look Coupe with turbo brakes, everything except for a turbo. So it's very rare because of that, and we're going to take it for a ride. We've known it for many, many years. Come on.
Hello all. Well, let's fire it up. It's been sitting outside all day because Jason drove it home last night, did a road test. We've known the car for many, many years, sold it to several collectors, and I've taken it back on trade each time. So it is all original paint. It is 34,550 miles. We've serviced it for many, many years. It is great. It has working AC, which is 911 Carrera AC, so it's going to cool you off a little bit. But it's not going to work like a modern Mercury Ford LTD. Forgive me for going back into the 80s, but I do remember that air conditioning working exceptionally well. So this is nice and cool, but not like a Ford. It's got a short shift kit. I can say with a clear conscience, the gearbox, clutch, engine, everything is absolutely perfect. We're going to go through everything to make sure that everything is working. Windows down, windows up. Sunroof open. Sunroof closed. It has got a wonderful, wonderful prototypo Momo steering wheel, which would have been in many RS lightweights or RSRs. It comes with the original Porsche steering wheel as well, but this one's a lot cooler, in my opinion. It's got a nice little Porsche horn button.
Tally-ho!
Those tally-hos are getting...
Tally-ho!
Okay, well that was angry. So
that was German.
That was
I'm happy.
Oh.
I'm very delighted this Friday afternoon.
Let's just continue to drive. The heater works, but we're not going to use that today. Absolutely everything is working exceptionally well. It is... I am sure there's another M491 out there, in Guards Red maybe even, that is this good, but I don't know where it is. We've known this one intimately, and we know it is absolutely exceptional. So we'll be back to you for our typical back roads, and then flybys, and then farm road, and as we've said in the past on many, many, many occasions, when it's a really good 911, there's not a hell of a lot to say, because it is just a very good 911, and that says it all. So we'll see you in a couple of minutes. So it is a lovely day, and we have decided, since we have the mic, we're going to run the windows open and the sunroof open. It has got partial electric seats. First gear synchro is wonderful. As I said, it has a short shift, and that's actually lovely. It is a factory short shift. Now, there isn't a lot in 911 to go wrong, and I can say that absolutely everything is working. When we stop for our flybys is when Jason and I check all the lights, including the reverse lights, to make sure everything is working. So we will report back on that. There is a lot of traffic today. Did you just Anyone watch Young Frankenstein? That's pretty much what that just sounded like. I'd say we're on the twisties and it handles exceptionally well, but it's a 911, it's turbo look, turbo brakes. This one's been updated with turbo tie rods, because they did come with Carrera tie rods, but this one has been updated. So it's got all the best of the best. And we're going to do our flybys now. Bulletproof it is. It just has been and always will be a staple in the Porsche world. So, as we head back to the homestead, I hope you've all enjoyed the video. There is not a lot more than we can say about what is an absolutely perfect M491 911 Turbo Look Coupe in this condition. So, thank you for watching. This one was a lot of fun because we've known it for ages and we knew how good it was before we even took it. So, we welcome any questions you may have and look forward to giving it a new home, a new happy home. Thank you for watching yet again.